Hi guys, this is Other Deals. My videos titled Cats vs Dogs are in no way a comparison or a competition between the two species, which means this video is only and only for entertainment purposes, so please keep it peaceful, and if there are other animal compilations you want to see, leave the suggestion in the comments. The one with the most likes, I will make them. Enjoy the video.
You had a bad day, you take it one down, you sing a sad song just to turn it around. You say you don't know, you tell me don't lie, you were Ooh.
I know your answer already. This is the last day of our acquaintance. Oh, oh, oh. I will meet you later in somebody's office. Oh, oh, oh. I'll talk, but you won't listen to me. Oh, oh, oh. I know your answer already. Oh, oh, oh. I know your answer already. Oh, oh, oh.
Cause I'm good, yeah, I'm feeling alright. Maybe I'ma have the best freaking night of my life. And wherever
No, 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 let go. Let go. Sharing's caring.
I should probably go to bed. I should probably turn off my phone. I should quit while I'm ahead. I should probably leave.
People in the place, if you wanna get down, put your hands in the air. Will I am, drop the beat now.
Violet, drop the duck. Drop it.
Mirror sitting on the wall, please try to make me the coolest kid in the mall. This girl with the hair better beware, cause everywhere she be, I'ma be there like, hello, my name is Susie. That's Susie with the
I have died every day waiting for you, darling. Don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more.
My cross, it was brown. That cross that turned brown. What are you doing? No way.
Please.
Wow, that's it.
She's thinking about it. Look at that face.
Have you wear it or grab it?
She's trying to do it. She's Rudolph. There she goes.
Although we might laugh now.
First blood. Double kill.
Maybe you should just give up. Maybe you should go lie down. Maybe take
to collect eggs for the day, and apparently now we're hatching kittens. Yeah, little baby panthers.
Turn to a million and we all rich. That's just how I feel. The last one not to get the dough. No way. They got a mic, turn to a million and we all rich. That's just how I feel. The last one not to get the dough. No way. Love one of your bucket-headed hoes. No way. Hit the streets and we break the code. No way. Hit the brakes when they on patrol. No way.
Look at me.